All the rules that define how audio is routed inside the vehicle are written in a configuration file called car_audio_configuration.xml. This file has become the main source of truth for the car audio service. It replaced older and less flexible configuration methods used in earlier implementations. This configuration file defines critical concepts such as audio zones, volume groups, and the mapping of car audio contexts to physical bus ports. Based on this file, Car Audio Service knows which sounds go to which speakers and how volume should be grouped and controlled. In most systems, the Car Audio Service first looks for this file in the vendor/etc. folder. This is where the car manufacturer places its vehicle-specific setup. If you are working on a new vehicle project, this is usually the first file you modify to describe the speaker layout and volume grouping. When defining a new car platform, this file is used to specify how many speakers exist, how they are grouped, and which zones they belong to. The configuration directly impacts how volume buttons behave and how different seats experience audio. Quick insight. Even when Google updates the XML schema version, older configuration files can still work on newer Android Automotive releases. However, to use newer features such as multi-zone dynamic configurations, the XML version must be updated. If the version does not match, the system will fail during parsing.